So welcome students. So in this question you're given f of x is equal to integer part of x times cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 times pi. And you're asked to find the nature of continuity of this function at x is equal to 0 specifically and other integer values of x. So now let us try to investigate the continuity of this function at integer values of x. Because cos is always continuous, there is no problem in continuity of this function. So integer part of x has problems at integer values of x. So let us take some integer and see whether f of x is continuous at that integer or not. So let I be any integer. Let I be any integer. So limit x tends to I, integer part of x times cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 times pi. So now because you have an integer part, let us go to the positive neighborhood and the negative neighborhood. Let us investigate in both these intervals. So if I take I plus, if I go to integer, this integer from the positive neighborhood, integer part will be equal to I, right? Because x is greater than I, hence the integer part is equal to I. And cos of, if you take x as an integer, so 2x minus 1 is an odd number by 2, that is some odd number times pi by 2. So cos of an odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. That means the limit is 0. So limit x tends to I minus integer part of x times cos of 2x minus 1 by 2 into pi is equal to. So if x goes to I minus, x is slightly less than I, so integer part goes to I minus 1. But this part goes to 0, right? Because this part is again an odd multiple of pi by 2. Cos of an odd multiple of pi by 2 is equal to 0. So right limit as well as left limit is 0. Now what is the functional value? That is f of I. So what is the exact functional value at x is equal to I? So integer part of I, integer part of an integer is always equal to 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Right? So right limit is same as left limit is same as the functional value. Hence the function is continuous for all integers. So I did not take any special condition for integer. For any integer, right limit is 0, left limit is 0 and the functional value is 0. Hence it is continuous at every integer value. And at non-integer values, it is automatically continuous because these two functions are continuous. Hence this is continuous everywhere. So this function is always continuous. Thank you.